Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in my last video we looked at Bubble.io as a no-code platform that allows users to build web and mobile apps without any code. In this video I want to show you other alternatives in the same category. I intend to use the same prompt I used in while creating Bubble and do a side-by-side comparison of Lovable AI, BASE44, Bolt.new, and Apsy.io. So we are first of all going to define them, and then we'll see what they have in common. So Lovable AI, it's Lovable.dev. It's an AI-powered platform that enables users to build full-stack web apps by simply describing their desired application in plain English. Then BASE44 is an AI-powered platform that enables users to build fully functional web apps from simple natural language descriptions. Almost the same meaning. Then we have Bolt.new. This one is an AI agent. It is a web development agent that allows users to build full-stack web applications directly from their browsers using natural language prompts. It's also cited as Bubble's top competitor. Then the last one is Apsy.io. It's an online no-code generative AI-powered app builder that simplifies app building. So what they have in common is you just explain in plain English. You do not need to code, and you do not need a tech background. So let's dive into Lovable.dev. So when you type Lovable.dev, this will be your landing page. If you have an account, you sign in, of course. If you do not have an account, you sign up and you follow the prompts. So as you can see, you're presented here with something like a question box where you'll type your prompt. You can attach a photo. Let's look at this. There's an option of public, anyone can view and remix. Then Workspace Pro, only visible to your workspace. Then let's look at Superbase. This one's a bit complex, but you can work around it and find out what it does. So after signing in, this is your account. So in my case, I'm Cynthia. So Cynthia's Lovable's workspace. Then you can see some items from the community right here and all that. As I said earlier, I'm going to use the prompt that I used on Bubble, which was to build an AI-powered mobile app called Jua AI, which is a voice-activated assistant for Swahili and English speakers in Africa, specifically designed for micro-entrepreneurs. The goal is to help small business owners access business knowledge and tools using voice input. So I'm going to run it. Let me see what comes out of it. I think it was populating. So on your left side, you still have there's this prompt box that you can add more things that you want on the app. You can instruct it about more things that you want on the app. Where did it go? Well, while it's still trying to load, let's move to BASE44. So when you sign in BASE44, this is what your landing page looks like. The prompt box is here. You have to describe your app idea and get inspired by, or you can get inspired by their templates if you have no idea. Then they've given you some of the ideas here. The app categories, CRM, environmental, maybe app or homepage, travel and planning, creative tools, as you can see. Then right here is where you've, in case you've worked or created any apps, this is where it shows. And then you can upload files here. They have that option. And then we have styling instructions. You select a UI style for your application. This will influence the visual design and components. Let's click on it. Yeah, they've given you styling instructions here for maybe people who do not know anything about like an app outlook. So they have different ones. These are new brutalism, neomorphism, glassmorphism. As you can see, material design. Yeah, and this one is claymorphism. Also, let's go with claymorphism. Yeah, so my prompt is build an AI-powered mobile app called Jua, just like in the previous two videos. Then we hit run. Well, now that I've selected claymorphism, there's an added instruction to it in regard to claymorphism. Whatever I prompted it to do is on the upper part. Let's hit run and see how it turns out. So initially I had tried to create the same app without now claymorphism, and this is what resulted from it. This is the prompt on your left side of the page. And then BASE44 tells you, I'll create Jua AI. Let me explain this elegant mobile, whatever. Then it explains the key features, the design language, the app organization here. And then, as you can see here, there you have it, all these things. And then it defines it again. So this is our app here. This is our workspace, and then you have preview. So let's look at the workspace first. You have the overview. Then you have the overview. This is the overview. App visibility. You can invite users. Yeah. Then you can add a platform badge. And then we have users. I'm the only user. Then under data, we have conversation, business tip, anything that relates to a web or app is here. Analytics, the domain, security code, API settings. Okay. Then when you go to preview, this should show us how what the app looks like. It's loading. Yes, here's our app, Jua AI Assistant, your business advice in Swahili and English. It's very beautiful, and it also has a voice option here. You can just tap and ask your business question in Swahili or English. The tips, history, profile, everything. Start your first conversation, as you can see. So let's look at the one that we prompted using claymorphism and see what it will look like. Like I said, the same prompt, except here, since I selected claymorphism design, the app BASE44 added these other prompts, design with claymorphism using soft puffy UI elements, as you can see here. Use large border radius, soft inner and outer shadows. Like it's prompted it in detail to do blah blah blah. It has even selected the colors, pastel colors like lavender, mint, green, baby blue, all that. Avoid hard edges and sharp contrasts in favor of soft rounded corners and all that. So our app is ready in minutes. So this is the plan, the key features to implement. It breaks down the prompt for you on the left side, like you can see here. the voice recording interface, the business knowledge base, language support, business tools, all these, the design, language and styling, all these, the app organization, main dashboard, business knowledge, as you can see right here. So the workspace, overview, users, data, it's the same as this other one here. This other one here, the one that I didn't choose a layout. And then now in this, let's see the preview. It's loading. Yes, so this is what our app looks like when you use claymorphism aesthetic with soft, puffy UI elements. Welcome, so and so. Ask me anything about your business. I'm here to help you. Here we go. This is how our microphone looks like. If you compare it to this other one that I didn't add any other styling instructions, this one is kind of plain. This one is kind of plain, just colors. This one is soft. Yes, we have conversations here. We have tools. There's help. You can see the difference. How do I start a small business in Kenya? Marketing, nawezaje kupata? All those things. It's in English and Swahili. So that is how you use BASE44, basically. Okay. Yes. Then let's move to Bolt.new. Bolt.new, after signing in, this is what it looks like. It's kind of plain compared to the other ones. Yeah. So there's this side, there's this panel on your left side, your account, all these things. And your charts today, or rather your job, whatever you're trying to build today, is right here. The prompt box is here, or you can import from. It's connected to GitHub and Figma. Also, it has instructions. It has some. This is like a template for new people who do not know where to start from, like me. I'm also using this for the first time. If you don't know what to do, you can come here, create a financial app, make a landing page, generate a CRM. You can choose any option here before you begin. Then you hit go. So this is the one that I had. This is the first time I tried using it a few minutes ago. So on the left side is where the prompt goes, and then you can see it's thought for 8 minutes, and then it's breaking down everything. And then on the right side, on this other side, where this preview is, where your preview will appear, where your work will appear. Same prompt, build an AI-powered app called Jua with all those instructions. It has broken down, and then this is the preview. It's just plain. Yeah, we have the business tools here, the calculator, analytics, all these. And then your AI assistant is here. You can ask it anything, or you can speak. And then it has its motto is down here. This one is super plain. As when you compare to Jua, not Jua, when you compare to BASE44. So basically that is how Bolt works. Bolt.new. It's an AI agent. Then the last one, Apsy. Yes, this is Apsy. This is your landing page when you log in. It's self-explanatory. When you want to start something, you just click on build. So it's completely free to build. As you scroll down, it tells you more about the app. And I think this is how the app looks like. The outcome should look like something like this. Then you can create a variety of apps. Then it shows you how it works. Basically, this is what it looks like. So when you click on build, when you click on build, it brings you here. You have to choose a template to start from. There are different types: social, dating, e-commerce, education, event, all those. We're gonna go with e-commerce. Then there's an NDA. You have to agree to those things. Yes. Then what type of content would you like to display on the homepage? Options include promotions, all these things. So I've noticed that this one, there's no prompt box. You have to speak. You have to click on the microphone and speak when you're ready, and then you click on it to stop. That is how you prompt it. That is how you prompt it. So let's see what will happen. Let's just do skip for now. So this assistant is called Gamma. And basically the difference between Apsy and all these other ones, in as much as they have the same foundation, is you have to prompt it via voice. You have to speak to the microphone. You cannot type. There's no prompt box. That is the only difference. So generally all of them have templates that you can choose to start from. And all of them, you just need to describe your idea in plain English. You do not need a coding background and no tech background, and you'll have your app within minutes. Kindly check out the previous video as well. I talked about Bubble, and there's a link that you can click on to join our AI platforms.